Hello everyone and welcome to Brews and Breakthroughs. I am Anjali Nair, currently serving as Head of Illustration at IPSF Pune. Today, we are diving into our brand new series called Pharmacy Beyond Borders, powered by Fateh Education, our exclusive abroad education partner. With partnerships across 120 plus universities, Fateh helps students explore global opportunities in countries like UK, Ireland, and Dubai. And today, we are brewing some clarity for pharmacy students who dream of studying abroad with help of Fateh Education. Please join me in welcoming Mrs. Shabana Khan Ma'am, a seasoned professional with over 11 years of experience in overseas education sector. She has worked with some of the topmost education consultancies in India and has successfully guided more than 1,000 students in achieving the dream of studying abroad. Also, along with us, we have Ms. Krishnaveni Ma'am, a trusted study abroad counselor with deep expertise across UK, Ireland, and Dubai. Over the years, she has guided countless of students towards their academic goals with her insight, empathy, and dedication. Known for her nurturing approach and genuine care, she goes beyond traditional counseling and becomes true mentor and motivator to every student she works with. We are very delighted to have both of our guests with us today. So, starting with the most important question is what makes further education unique for a pharmacy student, and how does Indian student or Indian talent will connect with world class universities?
Thank you, Anjali, for the question. We offer personalized counseling specifically for pharmacy and life sciences students. Our counselors have in depth knowledge of academic requirements, professional licensing routes, and global career pathways, helping students making informed choices for long term success. With over 2 decades of expertise, we have built a trusted partnership with the top universities across UK and Ireland, two of the most popular respected destinations for pharmacy education and research. They have world-class pharmacy programs accredited by the bodies as such General Pharmaceutical Council in the UK and Pharmaceutical Society of Ireland. Graduates from these countries enjoy excellent employability of pharmaceutical companies, hospital and research organizations worldwide. Our experienced team ensure a smooth journey from course selections to visa approval. Our deep understanding of pharmacy-specific entry criteria, internships, and documentation help students to navigate every step with the confidence. We take a pride in growing network of alumni working in leading pharmaceutical firms, research institutions, and healthcare system across in the UK, Ireland, and beyond. The network offers valuable guidance, mentorship, and industry insight for few new students. We are accessible and responsive throughout the entire process, from the first counseling session to post admission support.
So, to answer the second part of your question about connecting Indian students with world class universities, we regularly host university representatives and professors. These opportunities allow students to interact directly with university officials, ask them questions, and gain valuable insights into programs, scholarships, and campus life. Through specialized admission events, we connect students directly with official university teams. Students benefit from personalized profile assessment, application fee waivers, and real time admission guidance, helping them make confident and well informed decisions. Beyond events, we ensure that the student remains connected with global institutions through one on one counseling, direct university interaction, and virtual sessions. The continuous engagement helps students access accurate, dated information and build meaningful connection with their dream universities.
Thank you, ma'am. I feel it answers the questions of our viewers about Fateh. Now, my next question would be what exactly are the reasons as to why students are willing to pursue pharmacy abroad?
That's a good question, Anjali. With increased global demand and better earning potential for pharmacy graduates abroad, Indian students are more motivated to explore international pharmacy education's pathway.
Yeah, and destinations like UK and Ireland are becoming more attractive due to good recognition, favorable work policies, and strong pharmaceutical sectors, adding appeal for students with pharmacy backgrounds.
Given the competitive domestic market for pharmacy in India and graduates with limited roles, these overseas routes offer an alternative that aligns with students' aspiration for global careers.
That's amazing. I am sure our listeners, especially the budding pharmacists out there, are wondering what's the future of global pharmaceutical education?
Yeah, of course. All the big IT words, including big data, generative AI, machine learning, are becoming core parts of pharmaceutical practice and R&D. And education is the key to prepare students for that. Telepharmacy, remote patient management, digital health records are moving from the fringe to mainstream, right?
Yeah, pharmacy student will increasingly need knowledge beyond traditional pharmacy like formulation, dispensing, and move into areas like genomics, biotechnology, regulatory science, and public health. Because the industry changes rapidly now, new technologies, new therapy, new digital health, pharmacy professional will need to engage in lifelong learning.
Thank you so much for joining us on our first view of Pharmacy Beyond the Borders. In our next episode, we'll dive deep into the financial aspect, whether studying abroad is as expensive as it sounds. Until then, stay curious, stay caffeinated, and keep brewing your dreams.
Bye.